What's up, y'all? If you've been here before, welcome back. And if you're new to my channel, welcome. My name is Tierica, and I like to post videos about the law of assumption, manifestation, and mindset shifting, sharing my own personal beliefs and experiences with the intention that you can take something from what I talk about, apply it to your life so you can create the reality of your dreams. With that being said, let's go ahead and get into today's video. Y'all want me to talk about manifesting, going viral, being famous, social media famous, all that good stuff. So, let's just go ahead and get right into it. It's no different. Manifesting to be a celebrity, to be a influencer, to have a high following on Instagram, to get paid from content, whatever it is that you can desire, all you have to do is persist in it. You just think from the end, and when you're thinking from the end, you're thinking of what does your desire look like once you have it? What is your ultimate goal? What is your end goal? And you literally just start thinking as the person who has that. If y'all follow me on Instagram, I had a video that went viral, and I was just new to the law of assumption and really just understanding that my thoughts create my reality. Like really just waking up to that truth. So I was affirming at that time. I wanted something to go viral, and I was just walking around affirming, robotically affirming, everything that I post goes viral, everything that I post goes viral, everything that I post goes viral. And I was just repeating it, right? And I really feel like it was maybe a week or 2 weeks that I was doing that. And then I was watching a YouTuber, and they were doing a challenge, and it was just like a isn't it wonderful challenge, isn't it amazing? And all you do is you repeat isn't it wonderful or isn't it amazing. I really switched it's really isn't it wonderful, but I switched mine to isn't it amazing just because that felt more real and more natural for me. And I just repeated that robotically for a week, and halfway into the challenge, one of my videos on Instagram started going viral, and it got over 200,000 views. That was the first time anything like that had ever happened, and I was very active on Instagram at that time, and it just was a trickle over effect. So every video after that I posted, it didn't get the 200,000 views, but it was getting like 10,000, 20,000 plus views on the videos, and my followers grew so fast. Like from that one video alone, I went from 9,000 something followers on Instagram to over 27, 28,000 followers. But I did not maintain it because I have a love-hate relationship with Instagram, and I really just post stuff on there just to post it, and I stopped posting for a really long time. I just didn't post no content. So of course, my followers started dropping. Of course, if you believe in the algorithm, with which at that time I did believe in the algorithm, so I believe that I wasn't popping up in people's algorithm, and when I post, it just wouldn't get the same kind of traction that I was getting in the beginning. But all of that to say, I was affirming that everything that I post goes viral. And I was doing that for, I want to, like I said, I want to say it was a week or 2 weeks that I was just affirming that. And it wasn't like a all day, every day thing, but I was affirming it while I was working, while I was cleaning up, just doing like habitual tasks around the house daily. And then by that third week is when I started the challenge, and I was robotically affirming all day, isn't it amazing? Isn't it amazing? Isn't it amazing? Like nonstop. And I just remember opening up Instagram and being like, whoa, my notifications are blown up. And it just kept going, kept going, kept going. And I was just like, wow, like we're truly powerful. Like you're so powerful. So I did the same thing with this channel. I said it in a couple of videos or one of my other videos, but I basically have started affirming everything that I post goes viral. Again, everything that I post goes viral. And I was on a trip to New Orleans, and from where I live, it's a 8-hour drive. And then it was a 3-day process. So it was a Friday, 8-hour drive out there, and all I had time to do was affirm. So I literally affirmed nonstop for most of the time that everything that I post goes viral. Then the next day, I was stuck in the car for 10 hours and I had nothing else to do. So I affirmed majority of that time. If I was sleeping, then of course I wasn't affirming, but majority of the time I was affirming everything that I post goes viral. And then the next day I was on my way back home, another 8-hour drive. And for the most part, I was affirming everything that I post goes viral. And that weekend, I had the most engagement that I had ever gotten on this channel, which some of y'all don't know, or none of y'all know, but I've had this channel for a minute. Like, it's been a process. We'll talk about it later, but I've tried to do 3 different types of content on this channel, and the manifestation is the third piece of content. But my views just skyrocketed. My subscriber amount just went crazy. Like, I started July with 796 subscribers, and now I'm almost at 4K towards the end of July. So those affirmations alone, just, you can see it. And especially if you've been watching my videos, you can see like how fast that happened. And all I did was affirm that for a 3-day weekend. And I don't really have any opposing thoughts to posts going viral, or getting really good engagement on here. So I was just affirming. I said all of that to say, all you have to do is affirm. So if you're wanting your post to go viral, I'm going to recommend you 2 things. One, start affirming everything that I post goes viral. My posts always go viral. If you want to be specific, anything that I post on Instagram goes viral. Anything that I post on TikTok goes viral. Be detailed with it if you would like. And then I think with being viral on social media, obviously you're wanting to go viral because you want your content to be seen. You want to be seen. Maybe you want to get paid from your content because a lot of these platforms are paying you for engagement and views and all of that kind of stuff. So be consistent, right? I know I say that you don't have to lift a finger to manifest, and you don't. When my first video on Instagram went viral, I hadn't been posting like that. It was an old video that had went viral. And when that old video went viral, I got all excited and I was like, "Ooh, I'm about to start making content." So then I started making content and I was being consistent with it, and I was just existing in this space of enjoying everything that I'm posting going viral and people just commenting and sharing it, and it was a fun space, right? Until I dropped the ball, of course. So even though I say you do not have to lift a finger to manifest, which you don't, like I said, that video just went viral on its own and it was an old one, be consistent. Like, you want to go viral for a reason on social media. So post your content, record your content and post it, and, watch what happens. Have the right mindset behind it. I use Threads a lot, and when I'm on Threads, it's like I see half and half. I see a lot of people cheering themselves on because their YouTube channel is growing. They're getting monetized on different apps. And then the other side that I see is people saying, "Oh, it's so hard to get monetized. It's so hard to get engagement. It's so hard for the algorithm." Those are the ideas that you want to drop, because those are the limiting beliefs that are keeping you from experiencing what you truly want. So there is no algorithm. There is no specific time that you need to post. There is none of that, okay? Those are all just limiting beliefs. Drop them. You don't need them, okay? All you have to do is tell yourself, anything and everything that I post goes viral. I get really good engagement. I can post any time of the day and people are always going to view my stuff, because I guarantee you there's somebody out there that will say that, "Oh, I can post any time of the day and I'm going to get thousands of views." And they get those thousands of views because they're not allowing a limitation to interfere with what it is that they want to experience, whether they know that they're manifesting that or not. As far as like social media fame or just being a celebrity in general, see yourself as that person. See yourself as that person. When you're up, getting up, ready for the day, wake up like the celebrity that you are. Wake up and tell yourself, man, I'm so famous. People are going to start noticing me when I'm out. People are going to start recognizing me. People are always coming up to me, recognizing me, asking me for my autograph. People know me when I'm out in public. I'm always seen. I'm always noticed. I am such a celebrity. I'm a famous celebrity. I'm a rich and famous celebrity. The choice is yours. You can be however specific and detailed you want to be about it, but all you have to do is see yourself as the person who is a famous person, right? And persist in that. And by you persisting in that, you're going to see it. I don't believe that this is hard. I just think that it's certain limitations that we tend to believe that make us feel like, well, dang, I don't know if I'm going to be able to manifest that, or I don't know how I can obtain that. But y'all know you can do anything. Anything is possible. All you have to do is persist. So basically, y'all, this video is really short and sweet, but it's, like I said, probably a whole bunch of times in this video, it's not hard to be a celebrity, to be a social media influencer. See yourself as that person, all right? No, you don't have to lift a finger, but if you're wanting to take social media seriously, or if you're wanting social media to be a platform for you where you're really recognized, then move like that person. If you want to be an influencer, get up, get dressed, put your makeup on, get your hair combed, put your nice outfit on, record your content, post it. If that's something that you want to do, post it. Post your content, and while you're posting your content, have the right mindset to go along with it, because that's really all that somebody may be missing. They're posting the absolute most perfect content, but they're sitting around twiddling their thumbs like, I don't know why my posts aren't doing good. Nobody ever pays attention to me. Nobody sees my stuff. That's the state that you're existing in, and therefore that is what you will experience no matter how good the content may be. If you're not experiencing the type of engagement that you want, it's up here. And all you have to do is change up here first. All right. To go viral, same thing. Just see yourself as the person who goes viral. Every time you make a post, while you're posting, right? When I'm putting together my videos and I'm putting together the description and everything, I'm still affirming to myself everything that I post goes viral. Everything that I post goes viral. It's like I'm just mindlessly letting that play in my head while I'm going through the motions of making the artwork, or making the cover photo, typing out, the description and the title and stuff. Everything that I post goes viral. It's just playing in my head. Because why not? And anytime I think about my channel, I'm just enjoy, like, oh my gosh, my channel is doing so well. Everything that I post goes viral. I'll see myself having 300,000 followers. I'll see myself having 30,000 views on a video. Like, as I'm affirming this, I'll just see it for my channel. And I'm just going to keep seeing it for my channel in my mind. And then guess what? Physically, in my reality, it will be reflected back to me, and y'all will be here to see that too. So just stay consistent, be detailed with what you want, decide on what you want, and then be detailed about it, and then persist in it. But like I said, it's not hard. It's super easy. If y'all have any questions or comments, leave them down for me below. I intend that this video helped you and answered your questions. And if you watched this video to the end, I appreciate you so much, and I will see y'all in the next video.